because when you go up to go. So I guess this one you're calling me today, am I safe? Or Nigerian English? British English. As you decided to call today, or call me today, am I safe? Safe? Am I safe? Not safe. Or you can say, I'm surprised you're calling my line. Hope all is well. You forget, I'm surprised you're calling my line. Hope all is well. I think it's all is well. Relax, everything is fine. Because of this year, it's a normal case of name for baby. It's a normal case of name for baby. No tot. It's a normal case of name for baby. No tot. Once I will leave Bala, you have a fence. When I hear that, I say, did you say I am the one that saw you when you came in the morning? Wrong translation. There you go. Remember, the boss. It's a normal case in there. It's a normal case in there. We better not talk. Now, British English. Did you say it was I that saw you? It's a normal case in there. Did you say it was I that saw you? We better not talk when you came in the morning. That's what it should be. It's a normal case in there. It's a normal case. It's a normal case. It's a normal case in there. We better not talk. Was it me you said you saw when you came in the morning? It's a normal case. Did you say I was the one that told you? It's a normal case. Did you say it was me you spoke to? I get an object. Bring a body subject. When you got an object, take this as it's a normal case. It's not me. Managakanti. Did you say? I'm just saying. Did you say it was me that slapped you? No, me cannot slap somebody. Did you say it was I that slapped you? Yes, I slapped you. I can slap someone. Subject. Because of Wesley. Next question, Wesley. The Bible says, can you remember him when you see him? Can you remember him when you see him? I want you to there you go. British English. Can you ID him or can you identify him when you see him? That's what it should be. Or is it, can you recognize him when you see him? Can you recognize him? Ask him, can you remember him? No. Can you remember Ichetara? Igecheta. Ichetara ka di iche, no di ki di iche. Egamata di iche di igecheta. Chetram nanga geba. Ega huye gaza na kwa uwa. Chetram nanga bia. Remember me nanga bia ba. Bad English. Remind me to go there. Correct. We shall see. I'm coming there now. Because the next number we see. Gi onwe daraya. Gi onwe daraya. I want to jump. You yourself is wrong. You yourself is wrong. Yeah, bad English. Okay, but you yourself are wrong. You, don't forget yourself. I'm going to say you are wrong. That reflexive adverb is an intervening adverb. I mean, a pronoun. It's intervening. It obstructs. If you remove the obstruction, what do you get? You get a flowing sentence. You are wrong. You yourself are wrong. I, myself, am wrong. Okay, but I, myself, is wrong. No. They themselves are wrong. He himself is wrong. She herself is wrong. I, myself, am wrong. You yourself are wrong. You, no doubt, are wrong. I, no doubt, am wrong. I'm right. Whatever. Next number we say, Mwa na-esi je wo ya. Mwa na-esi je wo ya. Mwa na-esi je wo ya. Nigerian, this child is smelling. Go and bath him. Bad English. This child is smelling. Wrong. Go and bath him. In a bath here, bath. In a bath here. So you can see in a British English gap, this child smells. Correct. Go and bath him. You're not bathing or bathing. In the US, they use one of bathe. In England, they use one of bath. I'm in the bathroom bathing. I'm in the bathroom bathing. Correct. Have you bathed? Yes, I've bathed. Have you bathed? Yes, I've bathed. So in the US, they use more of bathing. In England, they use more of bathing. Yeah. Are you there? Yes, the kind of, as I was saying. I went there here. I went there, so Swan came up. Aslan came up. Yes, I got my name about number 28. I was and I'm hearing you. God say, are you hearing me? About bad English. Daniel, are you hearing me? Can you hear me? That's the right thing to say. Are you hearing me? No. I'm going to talk about are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? But like, are you hearing me? Because not bad English. In the tear hearing, ing then I hear. Wrong. It should be used as a simple present tense. Can you hear me? I can hear you. You hear me? West. Abago. Nigerian English. I'm going. Abago. Nigerian English. I'm going. That's bad English. How do we know what you're saying? I'm living with the British English. We are here. And I want to go home. It's like, okay, I'm going. No, I'm leaving. Correct. If what I'm going, mention where you are going. I'm going home. Cool. Don't mean I'm going. I'm going should be used as a transitive verb to show where you're going. But I'm leaving. I'm leaving can be used as a transitive verb. I'm correct. If I want to add more to I'm leaving, say I'm leaving for school. I'm leaving you. But once it is time to leave where you are, to go home, I'm leaving. They just left. They have gone. They've gone home. Number 30 here we see. Isi na awam. Neka deba isasya. Isi na awam. Hasiki, I have headache. About the rule of English where the article must be observed. Okay, that's for you. Isi na awam. You know? Isi na awam. I have a headache. That's the British form. I have a headache. Isi na awam. I have headache. No article. You die. Oh, to a good give me a marker. Bad English. Marker, anything that can be counted. If you want to pluralize it, make it clear. Give me a marker. Give me a pick. Give me a Bible. Give me a chair. Give me a pencil. Don't say give me a pencil. Give me a pick. That's bad English. You must show it is singular or plural. Pick is a count noun or a countable noun. It can be counted. Pick, picks, pencil, pencils, Bible, Bibles, marker, markers, crayons, crayons. You know, come on. A teacher, class, give me a marker. That's bad English. Give me that your pick. Give me that your pick. Give me your pick. Please give me a pick. Bad English, but no, Nasia. You didn't know Nasia. You don't know Nasia. Give me a pick. Now give me a pick. Bring chair. Bring chair. Say, bring a chair or bring chairs. Now, could you imagine that wish? Already, that gets on now, grandma, when I go as fast. Happy strong go you. So what I hear, okay, I'll get a swallow, swag a quality. I've got them. Swag. Now, 31. It was TV, name button, but where you was able to say, what would you man like that? I said, Nigerian English was saying, this TV is noisy. Low the volume. Low the volume. Now, look at the go. Yeah, the boot to happen. You know the go. Aye. Shabba. What do you want? Nyam remote to her. Can lower a go. Lower it. Lower the volume. The TV is noisy. Lower it. And I have one about TV, not about TV. The second consideration card of Jew. Okay, number 32, I see. But what TV, Nigerian English, I say, tune down the volume of that TV. Wrong. Ogabo in British English. Oga say, turn down. You turn it up. You turn it down. You don't turn down, you don't tune down. You turn down, you turn up. But where you turn down, but it's here, turn it up. Because I put tone down. If they had a day, I don't hear the tone down your writing. Daddy, I got even the money. Well, you know, you make a tone down your speech. Yeah, what to work by God, you don't want to read the Then tune. You can tune to a radio station. You tune to ABS. T-U-N-E, tune. You tune to a radio station. But you tone down the volume of your set. You tone down the nature of your writing or your speech or your rhetoric. That's good English. If you go to the public, say when you get that, tone it down. Don't be bombastic. I gotta go again with the ball. Tone it down. I'm gonna tune it down. Number 33. 33. Let's see. You can have some of a bad note. You can have some of a bad note. Translation gas. My bottom is spending me here that I'm sitting. You can bag of food. August not again there, but you can't go. They tell you in British English. Like I said, Nigerian English is saying, my bottom is spending me here, I'm sitting. Bad English. British English was saying, I am tired of sitting here. Correct. I am tired of sitting here. You can have some of meaning it's been long he's sitting there. 34. I say, it might not say I want 10,000 there from Ega in your balance. It might not sir. It might not say 10,000 from Ega in your balance. You have bad English working on. I don't might not say if I minus. My nose 10,000. Yes, you can for Africa. Maybe aging 20. But I can make 10,000. My aging 20. But I can make 10,000. I said, what present 10,000 back? And you say, for Africa. Don't ever say a minus one. See, a deduct, yeah? Deduct is different from minus. Where do you put minus? 2 minus 1 in the times table. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. That's it. I put minus, okay, minus it from this. No, deduct it from this. If you deduct 10,000 from the money, you still owe me a balance of 10,000. One of the guys say, you will balance me 10,000 naira. You will see it here. That's bad English. I know how balance your government. You will balance me. Balance have a verb of that nature. That's my point. You will see. So what does it say? So, in Nigerian English, here you go. If you minus 10,000 from the money, you give me balance. That's bad English. British English, you see? If you deduct 10,000 from the money, you give me the balance. Correct. Note, also, do not use minus when talking about money. Instead, use deduct or add. If you add 10 naira, or if you deduct 10 naira,